For this week's tutorial, I am gonna be showing you the rope stitch. I really think it's a fun stitch. It will be perfect for scarves. It's really flowy, it's really soft and a little bit stretchy. And yeah, I hope you like it. Now let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need your selected yarn. I'm gonna be using a Stylecraft Special Dk in color Aspen. I really like this color. A 4.5 millimeters crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. You can use whichever yarn you want, and you just match the crochet hook for that yarn. So grab your supplies and let's learn this fun stitch. We begin by making a slip knot, and you can do this whichever way you prefer. The stitch is a multiple of 3 plus 2, and at the end we will add 1 chain for the foundation chain. So I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. I think for this tutorial it will be enough. We will add 2 now, 2 more chains, and 1 more chain for the foundation. Now that we have the chain made, we can start with our pattern. We will have to make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, which is, so we count back 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 4th chain we make 1 double crochet. We will chain 1 double crochet in the next chain, then we yarn over, skip the next stitch, and make 1 double crochet in the next one. We chain 1, yarn over. In the next one we will make another double crochet, and that will be the repeat for our row. We will make, skip 1, yarn over, 1 double crochet in the next, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, in the next one 1 double crochet, until the end of the row. So all we have to do now is skip 1 double crochet in the next one, chain 1 double crochet in the next one, and then we start all over again. Skip 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet in the next one until the end of the row. I will meet you back when we get to the last chain. So I am on the last 4 chains. I did my repeat with 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next one. I'm gonna skip one, make a double crochet in the next one, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next, and now that we are on the last stitch, on the last chain, we will make 1 double crochet in that last chain. That's pretty much the end of our row. We're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn our work. And this is the row, the repeat row. If we are doing a bigger project, this will be the row that we will keep repeat over and over until the desired length of our work. So the second row, it will be skip first 2 double crochets, which is we skip the chain 3 that we did, skip the next one, and in the chain space, the first chain space that we have here, we will make the repeat, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet in the same chain space. We skip the next 2 double crochets and we go straight in the chain space that we previously did on the last row. We go in, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in the same chain space. They are like V stitches in between the V stitches. That's how we will do until the end of the row. We skip these 2 double crochets and we go in the chain space, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same space. That's how we will do until the end of the row. I will meet you when we get at the end of the row. So I managed to get to the end of the row. This is how it looks like. And we have here, I did my last V-stitch in the last chain space. And now we have the turning chain from where we started the row. We are going to do a double crochet in the 3rd chain, in the top of the 3rd chain, right there. We make 1 double crochet. And that's pretty much it. It's a really simple stitch, but it looks really nice. I will do one more row with you. We chain 3. We are just repeating the second row that we did. We skip the chain 3 and the next double crochet, and in this chain space we will be making 1 double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet in the same space. Now we jump straight over the next chain space in between the V, making 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same chain space. We go straight in the next V stitch, so it will be here, making 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same space. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go a little bit fast because I don't want this video to be too long for you. The stitch is really easy and I think it would look cute for a fall scarf, maybe even a cowl. So every time when we get to the end of the row, we will have to make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, in the 3rd chain, but most of the times I just go in the space. I don't think it really makes a difference. If I would make a garment, I would probably go into the actual chain, but for this tutorial I think it looks okay. Yeah, so yeah, we will keep making double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the chain spaces until you get to your desired length. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any ideas of new tutorials. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, if you enjoyed the stitches, feel free to subscribe and click on the bell button so you get notifications when I post new videos. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. It's a really cute stitch. And thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye guys.